tinamaan lahat.
Ano ba yung sa science or math na yung probability na may manalo sa loob? Supposedly champion.
Well, alam natin yung mga number of combinations, pero sabi ko ibangga natin sa past experience where a game already reached the 500 million level jackpot. So, ang assumption natin is andyan na yung attraction ng betting public. So, and what was our experience dun sa particular game na yon? So, we will use facts, no? Because it's the same betting public. It's the same betting public. It's the same.
This early yung direction na nakikita nyo na kailangan i-amend dun sa charter. PCSO charter.
Compliance lang ang kailangan because medyo na-disappoint din tayo kanina na the current PCSO board is using an opinion